Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. In today's episode, we will be unlocking wealth. Play the money game like a pro. If you've ever wondered how to get ahead financially, this video is for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make money work for you in simple and effective ways. Show Luxo-Life some love and let's get started. Understanding the money game first things first. Let's talk about how making money is a lot like playing a game. Just like any game, you need to know the rules to win. In this case, the money game has rules around managing your finances, making smart decisions, and finding ways to grow your income. But here's the catch. Most people aren't taught these rules early on, which is why they struggle to get ahead. Once you understand how the game works, though, it becomes easier to see the opportunities for financial success. At the core of this game is knowing your strengths. Everyone has unique skills or talents that can be used to create value for others. And value is where wealth comes from. Whether you're great at problem solving, a creative thinker, or good with numbers, these strengths can be turned into something that benefits a large group of people. The more people you can help, the more potential there is to earn. It's about leveraging what you're good at in a way that serves others on a bigger scale. Another important part of this game is finding ways to reach a larger audience. The more people you can serve, the greater your financial success will be. Think of it like this. Small-scale efforts lead to small-scale results. But if you can find a way to solve bigger problems for more people, you can scale your success. Whether it's through online platforms, social media, or businesses, reaching a larger audience opens the door to more opportunities and income streams. The 3 pillars of virality. Grab, hold, and monetize attention now. Let's discuss the principles of virality. When we talk about content going viral, there are 3 key pillars you need to focus on. Grabbing attention, holding that attention, and then finding a way to monetize it. If you can master these 3 steps, you'll be much closer to achieving viral success. But it's not just about having one flashy moment. It's about creating content that resonates and keeps people coming back for more. First, you need to grab attention. In a world full of endless content, capturing someone's interest quickly is the most important first step. Whether it's through an eye-catching thumbnail, a bold headline, or a striking visual, your content has to stand out immediately. Think about viral videos you've seen. They often have something unique or unexpected that makes you stop scrolling and take notice. This is the hook that pulls viewers in. Once you've grabbed their attention, the next step is to hold it. This is where engaging content really comes into play. People need a reason to stick around, so your content must offer value, whether that's through entertainment, education, or a compelling story. The longer you can keep your audience engaged, the better your chances of building a lasting connection. Successful viral content often has a relatable or emotional element that keeps viewers interested from start to finish. Finally, it's time to monetize that attention. Having a viral piece of content is great, but if you don't find a way to turn that attention into something meaningful, whether it's growing your brand, increasing sales, or building a loyal following, you're missing out. This could be done through ads, partnerships, or offering products or services that align with your audience's needs. When done right, these 3 pillars work together to create content that not only goes viral but also generates real results. Organic versus paid content. What's the best strategy for growth? Now that you know the principles of virality, you might ask yourself, what's the best strategy? When it comes to growing your online presence, there are 2 main paths you can take. Organic content and paid content. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the right choice depends on your goals, budget, and timeline. Let's break down how both approaches work so you can decide which is the best fit for your growth strategy. Organic content is all about building your audience naturally, without spending money on ads. This method focuses on creating valuable content that resonates with your audience over time. The big advantage here is trust. When people find and engage with your content organically, it feels more authentic, and they're often more likely to stick around. It takes time and effort to grow organically, but it's a powerful way to build a loyal and engaged following. A great example of this is businesses that use social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube to post regularly and connect with their audience through consistent, high-quality content. On the other hand, paid content gives you the ability to get results much faster. By investing in ads, you can reach a larger audience right away, which can be useful if you have a specific goal in mind, like launching a new product or driving traffic to your website. The downside is that this method requires ongoing spending, and sometimes people may engage less because they know it's a paid promotion. However, when done right, paid content can complement your organic efforts, boosting your visibility and helping you reach new customers who might not have found you otherwise. So, which strategy is best? The answer really depends on your needs. Organic content is great for long-term growth and building trust, while paid content can give you a quicker boost. Many successful brands use a mix of both, creating a solid foundation with organic content and amplifying their reach with paid ads when necessary. If you're just starting out, focus on organic content first to build credibility, and then consider adding paid content as your audience grows. How to convert followers into customers now. Let's explore how you can turn your followers into loyal customers by using the power of storytelling. People connect with stories, not just products or services. When you share your journey, struggles, or values in an authentic way, it helps build trust with your audience. Trust is a key factor in making followers feel comfortable enough to take the next step, whether that's purchasing your product, signing up for your service, or engaging with your brand on a deeper level. One effective storytelling technique is to make your audience the hero of the story. Instead of focusing only on what you do, show how your product or service solves a problem they're facing. Take them on a journey where they can see themselves overcoming challenges and reaching their goals with your help. This approach shifts the focus onto the value you bring to their lives, making your offering more relatable and compelling. For example, brands that share customer success stories or highlight real-life transformations often see higher engagement and conversion rates. Another technique is to be transparent and vulnerable. Share not only your successes, but also the challenges you've faced along the way. People appreciate honesty, and when they see you as genuine, they're more likely to trust you. This can be as simple as talking about mistakes you've made and what you've learned from them, or showing behind-the-scenes moments of your business. By pulling back the curtain a bit, you create a stronger emotional connection, which builds loyalty and long-term engagement. Mastering your content format. Customizing your content format is a critical step in creating engaging and consistent material that resonates with your audience. When you find a format that suits both your style and what your viewers enjoy, it can help you stand out and even go viral. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, interviews, or something else entirely, sticking to a format allows you to build a recognizable identity, which is important for keeping viewers interested and coming back for more. Choosing the right format comes down to understanding what works best for you and your audience. If you're someone who thrives in spontaneous, casual settings, vlogging might be a great fit. If you prefer structure and step-by-step guides, tutorials could be your go-to format. The key is to experiment early on and pay attention to what feels natural for you to create and what gets the best response from your audience. Mastering one format doesn't limit you. It helps you build a foundation that you can expand from as your channel grows. Once you've chosen your format, consistency is crucial. When viewers know what to expect from your content, they're more likely to stay engaged. For example, if they come to your channel for tutorials, they'll return for more if you stick with that format rather than constantly switching it up. It's about delivering a reliable experience that aligns with your style and your audience's preferences, which is key to growing a loyal following. Turn your hobby into a profitable business. Most people think that practicality and passion don't always mix when it comes to making a living. But what if you could turn something you love doing into a profitable business? Many successful entrepreneurs started by monetizing their hobbies, and it's more achievable than you might think. Whether you're into photography, writing, crafting, or fitness, there's potential to turn your passion into a business with the right approach. The first step is identifying the skills or talents you already have that could be valuable to others. Ask yourself, what do people often ask me for help with? Or what am I consistently good at? Once you've pinpointed that, consider how you can offer this skill in a way that solves a problem or fulfills a need for a specific audience. This is the foundation of turning a hobby into something more profitable. For example, if you're passionate about photography, you could start by offering portrait sessions or selling stock photos online. Next, think about how you can scale your passion project. It's one thing to offer a service to a few people, but to turn it into a thriving business, you need to reach a larger audience. Use social media, create a website, or start a blog to showcase your work. Building an online presence helps you tap into new markets and allows your business to grow. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams, like offering digital products, online courses, or other services related to your hobby. How to choose click-worthy titles and thumbnails for YouTube success. Choosing click-worthy titles and thumbnails is one of the most important factors for success on YouTube. Your title is the first thing potential viewers see, and it needs to grab their attention quickly. It should be clear, concise, and intriguing enough to make someone want to click. The same goes for your thumbnail. It's the visual hook that complements the title. Thumbnails should be eye-catching but not misleading, as this can hurt your channel's credibility. A good practice is to test different combinations of titles and thumbnails, also known as A/B testing, to see which versions get the most clicks and engagement. What works for one channel may not work for another, so experimenting is key. Successful creators often use high-contrast colors, bold text, and expressive faces in their thumbnails to catch the eye. Titles that include numbers, questions, or emotional triggers tend to perform well because they spark curiosity. Avoid titles that are too vague or too long, as they can get cut off in search results. Over time, you'll get a better sense of what resonates with your audience and how to optimize your titles and thumbnails for maximum clicks. Consistency is key. How to build a winning YouTube schedule. Lastly, consistency is the key to building a successful YouTube channel. Posting regularly not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can lead to better visibility in search results. To maintain consistency, it's important to create a content calendar that suits your schedule and keeps you organized. Whether you post bi-weekly or daily, having a plan in place will help you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. The benefit of a consistent posting schedule is that it builds trust with your viewers. When they know to expect new content from you on a regular basis, they're more likely to subscribe and keep coming back. It also gives you more chances to experiment, improve, and refine your content over time. So, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, commit to a schedule that works for you and stick with it. This consistency will set the foundation for long-term growth. And that's how you play the money game. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Share it with others who might enjoy it too. If you're new to Luxo-Life, subscribe and tap the bell to stay updated on future content. Thanks for watching, Luxo lovers. See you in the next one.